Everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So we have three openings, one from the Amdocs, another from Oracle, another from HP to discuss. So all of them are the top companies and they are hiring for the freshers with minimal coding knowledge, minimal programming knowledge. Okay, so it's not core into development. You should know that programming and all. It's applicable for most of the people if you would like to get into IT sector. So let's see in detail what are the eligibility criteria, which batches can apply and all the details. So first, let me start with the Amdocs one itself. So they are hiring for the software engineer, associate graduate Pune. Okay, so location will be Pune. And you can see here the primary skill required is Java and the secondary skill is SQL. So this is related to the coding kind of. Okay, but stay tuned. We have other jobs too. The other two is completely different. And next, when we go to the eligibility criteria, we can see what will your job look like. That is the job description. Okay, so why, if you're planning to apply for this, you should go through this and understand what you'll be doing here. And all you need is, that is the eligibility criteria. So here this opening is for b.tech, ME, MTech, MCA students specialized in all the streams in ENTC, CSE, IT, ENC only. Okay, and throughout you should have 60% with no year down. Now passing out year must be 2021. So this is for 2021 batches in this graduation and this streams. Okay, so hope you got it. And if you are willing to apply, you can get onto the link which I've mentioned in the description and click on this apply now button and fill the form, then apply to the same. Okay, so obviously there will be multiple selection process, online assessments, interview and all that. So be ready for that with all the possibilities. And yeah, this is it. Okay, so if you are already having a profile, you can sign in and use that very same profile, else you can start a fresh new profile. Okay, so apply to this at the earliest, give all these details and submit. Okay, now the start is CTZ around in Amdocs for the software engineer freshers starts around 5 plus LPs usually, and according to the team that you're getting in, according to the domain technology that you're working in, it do completely differ. So that's the details regarding the Amdocs. Okay, so I hope you got every details. Now let's move on to the other, which is at Oracle. So this is applicable for many of the people. Okay, Oracle job. So Oracle is hiring for the customer service analyst one support. Okay, for the support section, and you have a deadline for that as well. That is apply before 9th 8th of this month. Okay, okay. So next you can see here the responsibilities as a member of a support organization. You must be doing all these things. You can see this is it. So this is support to one. So it is an entry kind of level. So you can go through these points. They have mentioned like you should be knowing about Microsoft services or Oracle services and all that. So you can just go through this job description, and in case if you're okay to join, okay, if you feel like okay this is fine for me, then you can click on the apply now button and you can apply. So applicants are required to read, write, and speak the following languages. That is English. Okay, that's only the mandatory thing that I have put it. So there are a lot of time for you to apply. Just apply to the earliest. Just click and apply. Okay. So this is it. And obviously, you know, the payment of Oracle is very high. Oracle is such a topmost company in the world. So obviously the payment is very high. The very own starting can springs around 6, 7.5 plus LPs around that. Okay, very own starting, and it can like vary. It's just an average estimation, so it can vary according to the team or according to your value. Okay, so hope you got the details of the same. Now let's move on to the other, which is opening at HP. So this is just a few days, that 2 days only this posting have came up. Only few applicants are to this, so apply to the earliest. This is a role for technical support representative. So here you can see the requirement is high school education or equivalent. That means if you have high school education, okay, just +2 or diploma something, then if you have some relevant experience which is applicable for this role, then you can apply. Okay, in case if you don't have experience and if you are a college graduate, then freshers can apply. Okay, so hope you got it. That means if if you are a college graduate, then no need of experience. Okay, 0 years of experience is fine, you can apply. But if you are a high school graduate, then you should have 6 months to 1 years of experience in the required field before applying. Okay, that's what they are mentioning, and it is applicable for any graduate and any batch, no restrictions to any of them. Now, knowledge and skills, you can see articulate an excellent written and verbal communication skills, experience in customer facing role, either remote or face to face, computer proficiency with applicable software applications like Microsoft Office, etc. Demonstrate problem solving skills, accuracy in data entry, excellent fluency in language ought to be supported. Experience in phone based remote role, e support, e chat, or similar. Familiarity with computer technology, desirable skill is knowledge in call routing and case management process. Okay, so it's okay if you don't have the insight to all of this, you can learn it, but just see these things. Okay, so if you're a college graduate, if you don't have experience, it's fine, but if you're a high school graduate, then you should have experience to apply to this role. Okay, so this is the opening from HP. So support role in HP, the starting TTC is brings around T plus LPA, so you can get accordingly according to your value, according to your experience, your education, it do varies. Okay, now, to apply for that, you can click on the supply button and you can create a profile under HP Careers, and after that use a very own profile to apply. So if you have already a profile, you can make the necessary changes in the resume or something like that and you can apply. If you don't have, you can start a fresh new one. Okay, so hope you understood all the details regarding the job openings that I've presented today. If there is anything apart from things that I've mentioned in the video, do you have doubts on those things means, let me know in the comment section. We'll definitely try to bring the content related to that as well. And if it is something doubts which can be replied or responded through comments, we'll definitely do that as well. Okay, so we are waiting for your suggestions regarding the video content in the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.